Hello everyone, I'm going to present you Shieldy, the AI security assistant. For many small and medium businesses, cybersecurity is in a lack of awareness. It's a struggle to find practical, affordable, and relevant guidance. The truth is 60% of small businesses close within 6 months of a cyber attack, and implementing a security process remains confusing and expensive. It is overwhelming. There's a lot of controls in a standard. It is expensive. Consultants charge a lot of money for an assessment, and it's generic. There's no a document on the internet that fits specifically your company reality. So I bring Shieldy, which is a powered security assistant that transforms these overwhelming security frameworks into a personalized, actionable guidance. It has two modes, the first one is a security assessment for the company. It makes a profile of the company and gives a report. And then the second one is an implementation step-by-step guides. And the experience feels like having a security consultant on demand, but fast and without having to read huge standard documents. The tech stack, as you can see, it's GPT 4.0 Mini, embedding 3 small, LangGraph, Quadrant, Langsmith, Ragas framework, React, and Fast API. The data includes 2 PDFs for security guidance and real-time web search with Tably. And the chunking strategy is a recursive character splitter. The golden test dataset is composed of 2 personas, security engineer and a cloud engineer. It has 60 synthetic questions generated with Ragas about security frameworks, and the query distribution is single hop specific query and multi-hop specific query, 50% each. The advanced retrieval, I chose ensemble retrieval in a combination of vector search BM25 and contextual compression with ranking using Cohere. And the assessing performance, I saw improvements on most of the metrics, and the cost is minimal. Using ensemble retrieval has quality gains and low cost. So now let's see a demo. So here's the main dashboard. These are the 2 modes I previously described. So first, let's run a quick security assessment. So we select, let's say, 10 employees, technology as the industry. Let's say we have a lot of Windows servers, or actually, let's say Linux, easier. Antivirus, firewall, and we have some regular security updates and security trainings. Let's say we also have less than $500 to invest, and our main fear is a data breach. Now we hit the get my assessment and wait for the application to load all of the results. So once the agent has all the information it requires, he will now provide us a score and also all the steps of the plan that we need to follow in order to accomplish a good security. It will also include estimated cost, time to implement, and some references that we could follow. Now let's say we have specific questions about something we want to implement. So let's say I wanted to give me the top 10 OWASP attacks, so we can implement some steps and some security around it. The same, once the application already got all the info it needed, it will provide the top 10 OWASP and the implementation guides that we need to apply in order to protect against each of these type of attacks. And it will also give us the resources. So in this case, it grabbed all this information from the PDF that we provided initially. One more thing I want to share is the traceability that we are doing with Langsmith. Here we can see the question we just asked. Give me the 10 OWASP attacks. And one important step here is that the agent checks if it has to go to the internet to perform this search. It says no, just skip the web, and then it will work only with what it found in the PDFs. And then here we have the full flow where a user makes a query, checks if it is relevant or not to security. If it is, then it starts the agent analysis, checks if it has to go to the internet. If it doesn't have to go to the internet, just uses the PDF. If it has to, it goes to Tably. Once it has the information, it crafts the answer, provides it to the end user, and gives the sources. Thank you very much.